Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So till yesterday, we have completed the lesson number 8. That are lessons, 8 lessons we have completed. So once I will repeat you again that lessons what we have been completed. That is English class 5. So children, I am hoping that everyone is reading at the home and listening the classes. So My Shadow, Da Vinci, The Selfish Giant, next The Rainforest Song, Animal Concerning, next I Am a Jet Plane, next the first road trip at the airport. So till yesterday we have completed the lesson that is at the airport. So here the character of a Sheila, she went to the visit on a summer holidays to the airport, that is she went to the Singapore to visit the places whatever it may be. So after that summative assessment and formative assessment I explained you. So grammar also I explained you yesterday. So yesterday the grammar that I explained you, that is direct speech and indirect speech. That may be direct speech. So here he given first sentences what it is, direct speech and indirect speech. So here what is meant by direct means, so I am said, example Tom said, I go to school every day. This is direct speech. So indirect speech we have to know. So here we have to keep a, what we have to keep here, we have here quotation marks. To the direct speech we have quotation marks. So indirect speech we don't have to quotation marks. So let's try wrote on the blackboard, that is indirect speech. So I have given for you direct speech to write here with the help of quotation marks. So next conjunctions also I explained you yesterday for you. So that is some hot question activities also I told to do in the textbooks for you. Aircraft, so pictures collected by you, aircraft, that project I given for you. So today we are moving to the lesson number 9. The lesson number 9. So that is lesson number 9. Where go the boats? Where go the boat? Where go the boats? So what is meant by boat? Everyone know. The the boat is going. So here he given the question mark for us. Where go the boat? So where the boat goes? So here Robert, Lucy, Stevenson. So here Robert, Louis, Stevenson. Stevenson has been his name. This poem was written by. So where go the boats? Robert Louis Stevenson. His name is. So here a nice picture is given by here. So very nice picture he given here. Here the hill is. Here he given the hill is. So from here the water is flowing. So on that the hilly side it has a trees. Here the trees we are looking very nice trees. Next on the down of that the cows has sat, and the big streak and small trees also here it has been. So after that the downwards to the water flows, we are seeing that the small boats are there. So here, so now we will go through the poem. What? In the poem it has been wrote. So dark brown is the river. So here what he is telling in the paragraph, dark brown is the river. So here he is mentioning the dark brown is the river. So here it is a dark brown. The river is dark brown. So here I am writing his name, Robert Lucy Stevenson. His name who wrote the poem. So here, so dark brown is the river. So here we are seeing in the picture it is a dark brown. Golden is the sand. Here it is a sand. It is in a golden color. So it flows along forever. So it is ఫ్లోయింగ్ అంటే అది ఎప్పుడు పారుతూనే ఉంటుంది, ఫర్ ఎవర్. విత్ ద ట్రీస్ ఆన్ ఐదర్ హ్యాండ్. సో హియర్ either hand the trees are there. So dark brown is the river. Dark brown is the river. Here he is telling dark brown is the river. Golden is the sand. So here he is telling golden is the sand. So next, it flows along forever. It flows, always flows అంటే పారుతూనే ఉంటుంది. Forever it will be flows. With the trees on either hand. Here he is telling either hand the trees are there. Here he is telling the which color is telling dark brown is the river. So brown color లో రివర్ ఉంది, శాండ్ ఏమో గోల్డెన్ కలర్ ఉంది. ఎప్పుడు ఈ నది పారుతూనే ఉంది, ఇది ఒక రివర్ పారుతూనే ఉంది. విత్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ ద sand right side it is a trees are there. It is telling green leaves a floating. Here he is telling green leaves are floating. Crystals of foam, boats of mine a boating. Where will all come home? So here green leaves are floating here. Then crystals of a foam ante nurugu, it will be coming here. Next, boats of a mine a boating. So boats of a boat they are being going here and they are mining. Where will all come home? So where this all will come to the home. Green leaves a floating, crystals of a foam, boat of a mine a boating. Where will all come home? So this is the second one. On goes the river. On goes the river. Out pass the mill. Out passes the mills. It is passing through the mills again. Away down the valley. Away down the valley. Away down the hill. So from high mountains to it is going a valley and again hills. From the hills it is going to the down to the hills, again down to the valleys it is moving. Away on goes the river. On goes the river and out pass the hill, and out it passes through the hill and again away down. It will become again down from the valley, again it comes down from the hill. So once again I will repeat you. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand, it flows along forever. With trees forever, with trees on either hand, green leaves are floating, castles of the foam, boat of mine a boating. Where will all come home? On goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. So here three completed stanzas. Next we are moving away down the river. Away it moves again down to the river. 100 miles or more. So it is moving reverse to the 100 miles. 100 miles or more than 100 miles. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. Other little children they have to bring their boats ashore. So here it is a reverse. They are floating a boats here, small paper boats we are seeing. The rivers they are keeping. So away down the river, away means the down of the river. 100 it moves 100 miles. ఒక సముద్రం ఎంత దూరం వెళ్తుంది, 100 miles ఇంకా ఎక్కువ కూడా వెళ్తుంది. అదర్ లిటిల్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ shall bring my boats ashore. So here he is telling to bring back the boats. So here a small poem is there. Once again I will repeat you this poem. Where go to the boats? Where go the boats? Lesson number 9. So here dark brown is the river. Dark brown is the river. Golden is the sand. Golden is the sand. It flows along forever. It flows along forever. With trees on either hand. With trees on either hand. Green leaves a floating. Green leaves a floating. Castles of a foam, boat of a mine a boating, boat of a mine a boating. Where will all come home? Where will all come home? Where will all come home? On the river, on goes the river, on goes the river, and out passes the mill, and out passes the mill, away down the valley, away down the valley, away down the hill, away down the hill, away down the valley, again, away down the river, away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boat ashore. So this is the poem that has been a small poem wrote by Robert Louis Stevenson. So about here I will give for you a short homework, in the rough notebook only you have to write. So short homework I am giving for you. So please children write lesson number 9. This is a poem. So write and draw the beautiful picture in your rough notebooks. So here draw this picture in the paper. So draw this picture, okay, and write this poem. However, you are given blue color, so you draw it very well here and write the poem, okay. So this is your homework, It is a simple homework for you. I am giving that. So very easy poem, that is given here about a river. They are floating boats on the river. So next we will move to the summative and formative assessment. So here I have given you homework. So we will move to the summative and formative assessment, okay. Summative, formative assessment are very short. This also very short. Here he given match the pairs and write below. He is giving to match the pairs. And write below. So here some he given to match. So first one is the river. So the first one is the river flowing by. So children, he given some. So first I will write here. So 3, here 4 and 5 are there. So I will write for you on the blackboard first, okay. So I will write for you on the blackboard first the river flowing by. The second one is castles, sand, small kids. Next the boat sail. So here the 5 words he have given to write. He has to told to write for us here. Okay, first one is the river flowing by. So from where it is flowing? Which color it is flowing? It is a brown color. So colored brown. Colored brown. The next is where kings live. Where the kings, they will live in the castles. The second one is. So the third one is sand. Everyone know what is meant by sand. Usually found in beaches. On beaches we will find. So this is the first one, the river flowing by, that is colored brown. Castles where the kings they live. Sand usually found on beaches. Small kids play with boats. Here last paragraph they given play with the boats. Small kids they will play with the small paper boats. Next the boat sail a long distance. So this is a long distance. So these are the 5 he has to told to match us. So when we go through the lesson briefly, manam lesson correct ga ardham cheskunte, the river flows, castles, sand, small kid, the boat sail. Here he 5 words we have taken to a, it is a one pair. Next we have match to second pair, okay. ఇవి ఒక పెయిర్ లాగా తీసుకుందాం, మ్యాచ్ లాగా. ఇవి ద రివర్ ఫ్లోరింగ్, క్రాస్టల్ శాండ్, ఇవన్నీ ఒక సైడ్ తీసుకుందాం. దీంతో ఇవి మ్యాచ్ చేశాను నేను. సో రైట్ ఇన్ ద డాషెస్ హియర్ డౌన్. So next one, make a flow chart of the routes followed by the river. So here he is telling to match. Ikkada bit number 2 is telling same match the flow chart. Again here bit number 2 is telling to match the flow chart. Ikkada flow chart he given. He is asking to match the routes. He is asking to match the routes followed here. So I am rubbing this first one. So second bit I am writing again, I am writing here on the blackboard for you. So here followed by the river. So the first one is through the hoods. It is passing through the hoods. ఇక్కడ ఒకటే ఇచ్చాడు తను, through the hood. So first he given like this, first one. So again he given the box, second one like this. This one again he given like this. So again here like this. So these are the 4 boxes he given here to for the route of a. He is asking to match the routes. Okay, he is asking to match the routes following chart. ikkada manaku oka chart ichchadu. ఈ యొక్క చార్ట్ ద్వారా దీన్ని మ్యాచ్ చేయమని చెప్పాడు మనకు. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళింది? త్రూ ద హుడ్స్. హుడ్ అంటే ఇవి త్రూ హుడ్స్ కూడా. సో పాసెస్ మనం ఏం రాద్దాం? ఒకటి పాసెస్ ద మైల్. ద మిల్ నుంచి పాస్ అయిందని రాద్దాం. మిల్స్ త్రూ ఇట్ పాసెస్ ఆల్సో విత్ ద హుడ్స్, త్రూ ద హుడ్స్ అండ్ పాసెస్ త్రూ ద హిల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ డౌన్ ద వ్యాలీ. మనకు ఫస్ట్ నీకు ఇందాక చూసాము అక్కడ డౌన్ the valley, down the valley also it was passes. Next again down to the hills. So again it goes to the down to the hills. So here the route is first one through hoods, again hills. Okay, here mills, mali valley. Next it is hills. So children, these are the 2 bits that I have been completed to this lesson. So again once again I will give for you, I have given homework to what to do. So where go the boards? That one write down in your rough notebook from the textbook and write his name, who has written this lesson, and draw the neat picture. Draw the picture. Here you draw the neat picture. Okay, give neatly, draw this picture and write the poem. Dark brown is a river. Again I will explain you. So once again, dark brown is the river, golden is the sand, it flows along forever with the trees on either hand, green leaves a floating, castles to the foam, boat of a mine a boating, where will all come go home. One goes the river and out passes the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill, away down the river, 100 miles of more. Other little children, shell my boat is sure. So here the poem has been completed. So summative assessment also completed. So I told for you to, in the previous classes, oval words I told you, A, E, I, O, U, oval words, A, E, I, O, U. So oval words are what? A, E, I, O, U. These are your oval words. That is first in the grammar, first oval words. What are oval words? First you have to learn. So in the previous classes I will explain you what are the first oval words entivi. Tata parts of speech ki veldam. So in the middle of the lesson I will tell for you what is meant by noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction. It may be conjunction, maybe interjunction, whatever it may be, how many parts of speech it will be, I'll explain you. And conversation also I'll explain you. Next spoken English also I'll tell in the middle of the lessons. So now I will leave the class. Thank you children for listening my lessons. Once you also go to the books, and please go through the books, that is class 5. Take the books and once read. If you take the books now, it is a very easy to next classes for you children. So thank you very much children.